Did you know that some mammals other than humans can use computers? Yes, you heard it right. Our world is teeming with fascinating creatures, and some of them possess skills that might just surprise you. Take chimpanzees, for instance. These intelligent primates have been trained to use computers for communication and even recreation. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of tech-savvy mammals out there waiting to be explored. So, buckle up as we dive into the extraordinary world of tech-savvy mammals. First on our list, we have the intelligent and adaptable chimpanzees. These incredible creatures are not just limited to their natural environments, they're also making quite a splash in the digital world. Imagine this, a chimpanzee with all its dexterity and curiosity, sitting in front of a computer, touching the screen, and interacting with it. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but a reality in Japan's AI project. Here, our primate friends are introduced to computers with touchscreen interfaces. But why, you might ask? Well, they're not just scrolling through social media or playing games for fun. These activities serve a dual purpose. First, it's a unique way to study the learning abilities of these intelligent mammals. By engaging them in memory and number games, researchers can observe and analyze their cognitive functions. It's fascinating to see how they remember patterns, solve problems, and even grasp complex concepts. The second purpose is equally important. Life in captivity can be stressful for these animals. The introduction of these interactive games helps to reduce this stress. It's a form of recreation, a distraction from their restricted environment, and a way to keep their minds active and engaged. In a way, these chimpanzees are not so different from us. They're using technology as a tool for learning and a means of entertainment. So it seems our primate cousins are not just swinging from trees, but also swiping on screens. But that's not all. There's more to this digital interaction than meets the eye. You see, a computer isn't just a tool for playing games or browsing the web. For some of our mammalian cousins, it's a means of communication, a tactile interface for expressing thoughts and feelings without uttering a single word. Imagine being able to connect with a creature that doesn't speak your language, not through sounds or gestures, but through the simple press of a button. That's the magic of nonverbal communication through computers. Chimpanzees, for instance, can be trained to use computer keyboards and sign language to interact with their human caretakers. These tools allow them to convey their needs, desires, and even emotions in a way that transcends the barriers of species. It's not just about teaching them our language, it's about creating a unique connection, a dialogue that goes beyond mere survival. This interaction fosters understanding, empathy, and mutual respect, building a bridge between the human and animal world. In the grand scheme of things, it's a small step, but it's a step that opens up a world of possibilities. Just think about it. If we can communicate with our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, what's stopping us from reaching out to other species? Who would have thought that computers could become a universal language, bridging the gap between humans and other mammals? Isn't it fascinating to see the unexpected ways in which technology intersects with the animal kingdom? We've delved into the world of computer-using chimpanzees, illustrating their ability to play memory and number games. We've also explored how they use this technology as a form of nonverbal communication, opening up new avenues of understanding between species. These examples show us that the digital world isn't exclusive to humans. So the next time you find yourself in front of a computer, remember, you might not be the only mammal enjoying the digital world.